6 reasons why the markets are rallying today despite global uncertainties. Nifty surges past 23,800, Sensex jumps 900 points. The Indian stock markets staged a smart recovery and extended gains with both the domestic indices trading with 1% plus gains. In the intraday trading session, the Sensex climbed nearly 900 points to touch an intraday high of 76,988. On the other hand, the Nifty crossed 23,850, gaining over 250 points. Both the indices are up 1% each. Small cap and midcap stocks led the charge, with gains of up to 2% during the session. The benchmark indices are up for the third consecutive day. What is striking is this came despite ongoing geopolitical tension, elevated oil prices, and a weak rupee. Therefore, what's the big trigger now? Let's take a look at the key reasons behind the market rally. After the steep fall triggered by tension in the Middle East, many stocks became available at attractive valuations. Crude oil stability eases fears. Although oil prices have been volatile recently, Brent crude eased to around $100 per barrel from last week's highs near $119. Despite the uncertainty regarding the war, markets have staged a bounce back. One factor that enabled this is crude remaining around 102 and fears of spiking above 120 not materializing, said Dr. V.K. Vijayakumar, Chief Investment Strategist at Geojit Investments. Sectoral shifts support gains. Foreign institutional investors, while generally cautious, have selectively bought into certain sectors like telecom, which has supported the market's resilience. Dr. Vijayakumar also added, despite being sustained sellers in the market, FIIs have been selectively buying in some sectors like telecom. This partly explains the resilience in telecom stocks. Also, there is a portfolio churn happening away from IT and highly valued FMCG stocks towards telecom, pharmaceuticals, defense, and select financials. Market leaders and fancied stocks in these segments will continue to be resilient even in a choppy market. IT stocks lead the charge. The IT sector stocks led the charge. The Nifty IT index was up over 2% and index heavyweights like Infosys, HCL Tech, and the like jumped 3% intraday. A recent report by CLSA, the international brokerage house, highlighted that deal pipelines remain strong and valuations for India's IT sector at its 10-year average now look highly attractive. They have a high conviction outperform rating on Persistent and Coforge and outperform rating on Infosys, Tech Mahindra, TCS, and LTIMindtree. On HCL Tech and Wipro they have a hold rating. Broader markets outperform. The rally was not limited to the large cap indices. The Nifty Midcap 100 and Nifty Small Cap 100 indices rose more than 1.5% each. Sectoral indices also reported strong gains, with Nifty Auto up 2%, Information Technology up over 3.5%, Media and Realty up 3%, and Consumer Durables climbing 2%. Global cues provide support. Markets abroad have also extended their rally. Japan's TOPIX surged 2%, South Korea's main indices rose nearly 5% to 3-week highs, and Australia's S&P/ASX 200 added 0.2%. Disclaimer: this article provides stock market news for informational purposes only and should not be construed as investment advice. Readers are encouraged to consult with a qualified financial advisor before making any investment decisions.